Did you know gamification can improve your conversions by up to 40%? In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a Shopify spin-a-wheel coupon, like the one you see here. The interactive SpinToWin campaigns are a great way to gamify your coupons so you can reduce cart abandonment, increase sales, and grow your email list. You'll see how easy it is with OptinMonster. Let's jump right in. Your first step is to sign up for OptinMonster. So at OptinMonster.com, you can click the green Get OptinMonster Now button, and you'll need the growth plan to get access to the coupon wheel campaigns. In the Shopify homepage, click on Apps. Then click Visit the Shopify App Store. Here, you'll type in OptinMonster. On the results page, scroll down and click on Exit Pop-ups and Email Pop-ups. Here, we'll add the app by clicking on the Add App button. And this will bring you to an OptinMonster Install App page. So click on the Install App button. And with the plan you just purchased, authentication will be automatic. So now you've successfully installed and connected OptinMonster to your Shopify store. Step 2 is to create the SpinToWin campaign using OptinMonster. Now that you have an OptinMonster account, click on the green Create New Campaign button. Here, select Gamified from the campaign types. And from the 3 available templates, select the one that's closest to your desired color palette. Next, you'll need to name the campaign, choose which website you want it to load on, and you can start building. In the home screen, if you go down to Custom Colors, you can import a color profile for your brand, and this will make it so much easier to adjust the colors of your campaign. And OptinMonster has inline text editing, so whatever text you'd like to edit on the campaign, just click on it, and you'll be able to change it directly on your gamified campaign. And then we can edit our headline. So your message might want to reflect the fact that it is a spin-to-win campaign. So here we'll say, want to win 50% off your purchase. Make sure to edit the subtext as well. Once you've edited the text, go to opt-in settings and you can edit the full screen background. Here you can change the background color to one of your brand colors, or you can also make it into a gradient. You can also change all of the colors on the wheel. You can even change the wheel width, the pull direction of the wheel. Everything that you can imagine can be edited and changed. Next, we're going to edit the wheel sections. Once you've decided the prizes you'll be giving away, be it discounts, free shipping, bundle deals, etc., you'll assign the probability of winning each prize here. You'll also need to assign a coupon code to each prize. This coupon code is what your website visitors will see in the Success view. So next, to finish out the design, we'll go to the Success tab. You have the option to import the layout from the opt-in view, or you can completely start from scratch on the Success view. Here you can keep it simple. Now, the next step is to decide who's going to see this campaign and win on your website. So to do that, we'll go to the Display Rules tab. And what you decide here will depend on the objectives of your campaign, but I'll give you some ideas. You can put it on a page such as the checkout page, and you can combine it with an AND rule and select behavior, exit intent, and this way you can help reduce shopping cart abandonment. You also have special display rules specific to Shopify. So if you click on the e-commerce tab, you can show your SpinToWin campaign depending on numbers of items in the cart total, subtotal, and a product that the Shopify cart contains. Once you've decided your display rules, go to the Integrations tab to connect to your email marketing service provider, such as Constant Contact. This will send your new leads straight to your email list. And in the Analytics tab, you can either use our OptinMonster Analytics or connect in a couple of clicks to your Google Analytics profiles. And finally, in the Publish tab, you'll simply toggle from pause to live. And here I'm going to show you what it would be like to preview the campaign. But this won't show according to your display rules. It will just show from your home page. With the OptinMonster Shopify integration, saving will automatically publish your SpinToWin campaign directly to your Shopify store. And now you have a SpinToWin campaign ready to reduce cart abandonment, increase your sales, and generate new leads for your Shopify store. To find out more of what OptinMonster can do for your Shopify store, check out these 2 videos. What does OptinMonster do? Or for a more in-depth look, check out our demo. And don't forget to subscribe for more OptinMonster videos, the channel dedicated to getting you more conversions, email subscribers, and sales.